go! For the goodness of science! Hello, boys and girls. I hope you have a helmet and eye protection, because we're delving into the dangerous side of science.
Today, we will be creating high explosives!
No. No, we aren't.
Today, we will be creating low explosives.
That is correct.
Alright, but first, let's talk about what an explosion is.
An explosion is when something gets really big, really fast.
That's it?
Pretty much.
Okay, let's demonstrate. What's going to happen when I put this candy in this soda is this. All of the carbon dioxide in this soda is going to try to escape all at once, and gas expands, which means the pressure inside the bottle is going to get really high really fast because the gas is going to get really big really fast.
If the bottle doesn't let the pressure out, it'll explode. But we're going to let the pressure escape through the top of the bottle. Here's what happens. Don't try this at home. At least not in your home. Like, go outside first.
This was basically a controlled explosion. We directed the force through this part of the bottle. If we could somehow trap the force inside, the pressure would build up until this happened. Do not try that at home, inside or outside.
As you can see, an explosion doesn't have to burst into flames to be an explosion.
Although, it is cool to watch when it does.
The explosion we're going to teach you how to make is called a Sammich bomb.
The Sammich bomb is a chemical reaction. When you add vinegar to baking soda, they react chemically and release carbon dioxide, the same gas that forced its way out of our diet soda.
Here's how you build a Sammich bomb. First, take a scoop of baking soda and put it in a sealable sandwich bag. Then take a small cup and put some vinegar in it. Finally, set the cup carefully into the bag and seal it tight. Your bomb is now ready to blow. Let's take it outside. When you are ready to start the reaction, you just tip the cup over so the vinegar mixes with the baking soda. And then stand back. An explosion is imminent.
When you do this experiment at home, experiment with the chemistry. How much vinegar to how much baking soda gives you the best and most efficient explosion. And of course, whenever making anything explode, do it safely.
For the goodness of science!
Don't you know what happens when an unmovable object meets an unstoppable kung fu master?
No, what happens?
This.
Wow!
I had a lesson go wrong in a science class once.
What were you teaching about?
It was a lesson about explosions. I did a demo, like this one, but much bigger. And the blast destroyed all of the lights. The whole room suddenly went totally dark.
Whoa, I bet the students were frightened.
Oh no. Actually, the entire class was delighted. Delighted. Get it? It's a joke.
That joke bombed.
Maybe you were bored, but I had a blast.
I think it blew up in your face.
No way. My jokes are dynamite.
Most of them are duds.
Careful. That volatile ego you just stepped on was mine.
Saying you have a short fuse?
Oh, I might blow my top.
At least I'll go out with a bang.
Say goodbye, Professor.
Goodbye, Professor.